The next method I'll show you is box method. So what I do is I look at my dividend to decide how many boxes I need. I say that this is my family who lives in a house. So I have 4 members of my family, so I need 4 boxes. Each member gets their own room. And the divisor is my neighbor who is hanging out outside wanting to play. So therefore, my neighbor is going to ask everyone to play, and they have to go through all the family members to determine that. So first we start with Dad. Can 5 be divided by 4? Or how many times can 4 go into 5? I know 4 can go into 5 one time, and 4 times 1, right, we go to Mom, is 4. Sister says to subtract, I get a 1. I then need to bring over. I teach the kids the brother's lazy. We bring over. We give it to Rover. Now I have a 12. 12 is greater than 4, so I need to repeat. I also will repeat as long as I have boxes. So now I need to determine how many times can 4 go into 12 or 12 be divided by 4. 12 is divided by 4. I can look here. I have a 12 and I know it's 3 times. So I'm going to put a 3 above the 12. 4 times 3 is 12, and subtract that, I get a 0. I have nothing to bring over, but I do have another box, so I need to repeat. How many times can 4 go into 9? 9 be divided by 4. I look at my T-chart, and I see 4 can go into 9 twice. It's going to give me an 8. That's as closest to 9 as I can get. So I'm going to put the 2 on top, 8 in the box, and I'm going to subtract. 9 minus 8 is 1. Brother says to bring on over because I have another box. Now I have a 13. This number is still greater than my divisor, so I need to repeat as well as it's in another box. So how many times can 4 go into 13 without going over? I look here, I have to get to my max without going over. I see that it's 12. So I know that this has to be 12 on the inside. 4 times what is going to give me 12? That's 3 on the outside. I subtract. After I times, I got the 12. I subtract. And now I have a 1. I have nowhere to bring it over to, so I look at Rover. This is less than my divisor, so it has to be a remainder. So my answer is 1,323 with a remainder of 1.